We have some changes coming from Cooper Webb, posting on his Instagram today saying, quote, "A massive thank you to Hilton, Andy, and everyone at Thor MX Parts Unlimited for the support they've given me throughout my career. I'm grateful for the lifelong friendships and unforgettable memories achieved together. See you at the races," with a little fist bump. So that means he's changing from Thor, which has been, who knows how long, what, 10 years now he's been on or been wearing their gear. And that's through Yamaha into KTM, back to Yamaha. So it's been a pretty good staple of his, you know, every race wear. And this is where I want, like, comment down below. Where do you think he's going? Well, not where, but like, who do you think he's going to be wearing? What gear set is he signing with for 2025? Alpinestars, whoever else, somebody. If you know something, or if you're just gonna guess, comment down below. Uh, Thor did post also saying, "Thanks for the memories, champ. The successes we had or we shared over the years will not be forgotten. We we wish you all the best in the future. See you out there." Now, obviously, this is probably not a bad blood thing, but it's probably just a money deal. Let's be honest. What most of these contracts come down to is, I'm coming to the end of my career. I'm probably only gonna be racing for, 3, 4, maybe 5 years from now. Who's gonna give me the most money so I can set myself up for the rest of my life? Yeah, you really have to get down to the thought of this things, like, these guys are, like, 30, 33, 35 at most when they're really starting to retire. So you've got another, what, 40, 50 years that you've got to plan out and have money for, because it's not like you're going to keep racing. Most of these people don't really stay in the industry. I mean, you have some people like Villapoto, or you get the, I don't know, the C and Cirillo people who do broadcasting or have their podcast stuff, like the James Stewart things. But a lot of these guys just kind of fade off into no man's land. And it's got to be super hard when you think about, this is all you've done for, your whole life. Then what? So, not that this is probably a bad thing, but it's like I said, comment down below. Tell me what you think. What brand do you think he's going to be riding? It's kind of funny that, to me at least, this is posted, or he posted this without a update on what, and I can kind of see it. It's a straight up post saying thank you to Thor. It's not saying, "Hey, I'm leaving Thor, I'm going to X." It's a nice way of him saying, "I've been with this company, this brand for so long," to just put it out there and say thank you as its own individual post. It's cool of him. But like I said, comment down below. Tell me your guesses. Tell me your knowledge, whatever it is. If you know, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do. It really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.